Welcome everyone to another Trias update. Thank you for the continued support. Let's try and get to 10k subscribers as quick as possible. So if you could share these updates, like and comment, it would be really appreciated. If you've been following me for around the past week, you would actually know around since the 20th, 21st of February, we've been calling for a dump. Back to the KuCoin sell wall, which we were struggling to break past. If you remember, as we were underneath that sell wall, which was around $14, we kept our bullish bias that because we are above $12.30, the KuCoin sell wall will give up. And then, of course, as we approached the 1414, we were getting ready for the continuation to the 1618, $26. But as we started to see some weakness with the wicks going up, previously to the left, we see the same thing and it resulted in a dump. So when we got this negative candlestick pattern over here and started to come back down towards the 20, we believed that the KuCoin sell wall will get tapped. And we saw in today's daily candle, not yesterday, the last few days we've been confirming the 20, but I've been specifically saying to you guys that I'm expecting the KuCoin sell wall to get tapped and react as a buy wall. Look at this bounce from today, guys. I know percentage wise, it's not the greatest. We hold other cryptos that are up 20% today, 20% yesterday, last 7 days, 200%. Go check out my Twitter. In fact, we'll go through that in a second, just after I finish off this Trias analysis very quickly. We need to go over to the Twitter. I need to show you some Trias posts, then we'll come back to this chart as well. But essentially, we did come down finally, and look at that beautiful reaction. We went a little bit underneath $14, all the way down to $13.84 on the KuCoin exchange. Might be different on Mexi. And we have now already reversed 9%. Although today we're only up 4.5, we've reversed already, bringing a 9% gain from this low. And so because we're reacting from this point, then I can now draw a new level of support on it. But I'm not going to do so because we have the KuCoin sell wall that should now act as a buy wall. Already with the first tap of this wall, we're getting that bullish reaction. If we scale down to a lower time frame, such as the 15-minute, we can see we tapped it first, fell into it, came to the lower end, got out of it, confirmed its support, and now continuing high. You can even say on the 15-minute time frame, this is a huge double bottom with a target all the way as high at, it doesn't matter anyway, we're going to 26.32. This is going to be nothing. Yeah, just taking us back up pretty much to $17. So already seeing that by confirming the 20-year support, we're looking to target $17 again. But of course, on this attempt, we believe that the high will be broken. This will finally be cleared. The patience that I've been asking you guys to have, you're going to see eventually. Louis was always right. Louis was saying the whole thing day after day, week after week, and it might be annoying because there's no difference from what he's saying today and tomorrow and the next day. But eventually, you see, it does come true. And every single move that we've been calling has been coming true. We're just finally waiting for this high to be broken, and we will continue to $26 as we actually have been calling from over here as long as $12.30 held. Equally, the moment we lost that, even before losing it, guys, I prepared you for $10. Once we got down to $10, we confirmed this level of support. But I was able to say it's now about this wick, not $10. We lost the wick, reclaiming the wick and the $10. And then, of course, that was pretty much just a deviation, reclaiming $12.30, constantly saying now, hold $12.30, we'll break out. Breakout has come through the KuCoin sell wall, where a lot of people started to get anxious and nervous. But if you follow and stick around the channel, I was constantly sticking to my bullish bias. We broke through and I called for the pullback. Pullback happened exactly, and we're now getting that continuation, or hoping for that continuation, as long as $14 does hold. Please follow me over to Twitter. The links are down below. Also, equally, if you want to get into projects really early, and I'm going to show you some reviews from some students of mine, then join the Discord. It is $25 a month, and it just enables me to keep bringing you out this daily content, which you're learning constantly from. So head over to with me over to the Twitter. This was from 21st of February, and essentially where we started to believe that, yeah, we are definitely coming into that KuCoin sell. I think this was, yeah, the 4-hour time frame, and we're just essentially believing that this area is going to be flipped into support. We also had the 200 EMA almost exactly in line with that area. Let's just double check what that is saying today. Where that's to, oh my gosh, guys. You know, if you still don't believe me, there you go. 200 EMA is telling you, or what I'm saying is not BS. Look at that beautiful KuCoin sell wall exactly at that price. Look where the 200 EMA lies. Look where the reaction came from. Exactly as we have been predicting. Nothing can catch me off guard, guys. I'm always prepared, up or down. You know what I mean? Yes, I was saying my bias is up. But equally, if we lost this, I would have prepared you with the next level supports here, 1320. Here, 1260. Here, 1230. It's all prepared for you guys. If you follow around the channel, if you're in the Discord community, there's no way of getting caught off guard. We're always looking at both ways, but I'll tell you the bias that I'm currently having and the reasonings for it. And these are all based off of theories or facts or whatever you want to call it. But for example, here I could show you a case where this should have been support anyway, going from this low, the low that we started this move up, and you can see where we came down to was the golden pocket. So just further proof, further confirmations. This is what we call confluence. So let's head over to the Twitter again. Absolutely beautiful to see what we've pretty much been predicting has all come true. And I just want to bring you over to some further Trias updates from earlier today. So here we go, right over here. So when price finally pushed through the KuCoin sell wall earlier over here, it hit $17 and rejected it. We know that's what's standing in our way from 26 and 32. So the moment we break 17, it's done. KO. Bears, they can just shut up. But right now, there is that risk. We go down. We called for the down as long as the KuCoin sell wall holds, as long as $12.30 holds. We're looking for bullish continuation. I did also mention a few days ago that I would just like to stay above the KuCoin sell. I want it to be a buy wall. Yes, we can go to $12.30 and everything remains bullish on a technicality. But if we get trapped under the KuCoin sell wall again, it's not looking the best. The best possible scenario is just coming down to it. Previous resistance, now support. Yes, you could lose it, turn it into resistance, fall back to $12.30, reaccumulate. It's just going to prolong the period of prolong the time of us getting those gains. But yeah, you're allowed to fall back down to there and continue higher. But I maintain the bias that we're just going to fall back to here and then continue high. It's finally come, and that is absolutely beautiful. Equally, if we look at some other results from the Discord community, of course, I'm going to keep it private. Trias is one of those coins that once was private for the Discord. As it grows, I'm just going to release them all out for you guys as well, because there's so much more gains to be made. Remember, we've been making YouTube updates when Trias was sitting at $2.50, for example. We were making Trias updates in the $1.50 area. And then, of course, you're now seeing where we are today. That's around a 10x. So this is another crypto in the chat. It is, of course, exploding at the moment. If you've seen some other updates from earlier today, I pretty much mentioned, yeah, over here, there are some cryptos that I was holding for 2 years or 4 years, and I just had enough of them really towards the end of November. So boom, sold them all, rejigged the portfolio. I already held Trias, so I didn't have to sell that, just added more from the ones that I sold. And one of these cryptos that we got in only from December, it's already up 544%. And this is not Trias, this is not Tectum. Tectum is one that I've also just shared that we've done 400%, 300 to 400% since selling the larger caps, for example, back in, let's just say, beginning of December. So if you want to join in on these gains, if you want to get further exclusive content such as weekly live streams, join using the links down below, and I'll see you over there. It's only $25 a month, and it enables me to keep bringing you these daily analysis on all your favorite cryptos. And you're getting so much free valuable info from them anyway. So just continue to support me here. If you want further help, join me over there. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Let's go, Trias.